Then, on the other hand, there is now the theory X assumptions. Theory Y assumptions. Theory Y assumptions. Now, the theory Y assumptions, this was the negative. So theory Y is the positive side. And when it comes to the positive side, according to Douglas McGregor, employees, the average employee will work willingly. The average employee will work willingly. So what is important is for the management to create a conducive environment. So according to McGregor's theory, when it comes to the theory Y assumptions, what are some of these assumptions? One, workers can take initiative for their work. Two, workers are responsible so long as the right conditions are created. Workers will seek extra, will take initiative and seek extra responsibilities. So what we are saying, Lana, if you look at the theory Y assumptions according to McGregor is arguing that this is the progressive side, and workers can be what is called highly ambitious. Creativity is inherent among the workforce and so on. So these are the issues. On the theory Y assumptions, if managers make an assumption that the average worker will take initiative for their work, the workers will be responsible so long as the right conditions are created. Workers will take initiative and seek extra responsibilities. Workers are highly ambitious. Workers are willing to be involved in decision making. And when it comes to performance, these employees are able to provide output. So what McGregor provided is that Douglas McGregor, as a note learner, McGregor indicated that it is the responsibility of management to create the right work environment, for employees to operate in. So according to Douglas McGregor, looking at theory X and theory Y, Douglas recommended theory Y for progressive managers. So for motivation purposes, McGregor Douglas provided that managers who are progressive should be able to create a conducive environment, and once they create a conducive environment, the assumptions on which they should base decisions on regarding their workers could be the theory Y assumptions, and encourage employees to be able to perform. So those are the issues that surround the theory X and the theory Y assumptions.